Manta rays are highly intelligent, harmless, and highly threatened gentle giants in the world. Manta means blanket or cloak in Spanish, describes the look of the animal's large, flat, diamond shaped bodies. World's largest species of ray, the manta, can be found in tropical, subtropical, and temperate ocean environments. It was only in 2008 that the scientists found there are actually two separate species of manta rays. The big oceanic manta ray, which lives in all of the world's main oceans and spends most of its life far from land, and the reef manta ray, which often dwells around Indo-Pacific coastline. Manta rays are filter feeders. They swim with their mouths wide open, drawing in zooplankton and krill, which they sift through their gill plates. They have developed some unique feeding techniques. Often, they can be seen doing somersaults to stay in a spot which is packed with krills, or chain feeding, where they follow each other in a circle with their mouths open to create a whirlpool like effect, trapping food in a spiral. Mantas regularly visit cleaning stations where they stay still for several minutes while cleaner fishes remove parasites and dead skins. They have the largest brain to body ratio of any fish. Studies have shown that they can recognize themselves in a mirror, indicating a highly cognitive function. They are able to create a mental map of their surrounding through smell and visual cues, indicating a developed long term memory. Female mantas hit sexual maturity at 8 to 10 years of age and tend to give birth to a pup once every couple of years. Pregnancy lasts about 12 to 13 months, after which a baby manta is born and can survive without parental care. Their greatest threat is overfishing. Because they are long living and slow to reproduce, localized population have a difficult time bouncing back when fished. Hence, they are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN. Manta rays are fished for their meat. Increasingly, their gill plates are in demand for Chinese medicine, where they are said to help with everything from increasing blood circulation to curing chickenpox, despite a lack of scientific evidence. They are also considered by some to be a delicacy. Thousands of manta rays are killed each year in a trade estimated to be worth $30 million. Since 2011, manta rays have been protected in international waters by the Convention on Migratory Species, an international treaty that protects migrating wild animals. In addition, several countries, including Ecuador, Peru, Mexico, Philippines, and New Zealand, have fishing bans in place. Indonesia, which is home to the world's largest manta ray fishery, have banned fishing and trade of these creatures and is diverting its attention to develop tourism, which generates much more revenue for local communities than killing these gentle giants.